Dear student, Assalamu alaikum. Today we will deliver a lecture. The question, the research is what are the factors which affect production of different crops. We have done so many experience. Go to field and get the knowledge. We have grow the weeds. We have grow the potato, as well as we have grow the vegetables in the field in the area of district Mardan. Here are our land and Kasm. So, in different where we have grow the crops in different field and get the production. Some production was more and some production was less. So now we analyze these factors which affect the production of these crop. According to my view, there are soil. So the soil also affect the production of the field. If you one time or two time or three time you cultivate the land, so this way the also affect the production of the field. And the time is also the factor. When and some day which are very longer and some day which are very short. So in different days, if you grow, if you sow the seed, so the production will be different. So time also play a great role in the production increasing or decreasing, and there are so many farmers are present. They have experience, and according to time, they grow their field, and then they get the production. They also protect the crops from the insect as well as from other factors, and they also want how to prepare the land and how to increase the fertility of the land. So now we come to the board and one by one we will discuss these things. This is soil types. This is also the soil. This is the roots, and these are the plants. These are also plants. If the soil is good, if there is silt and clay, if there is sand, so different soil affect the production in a different way. From the sandy soil, the water very easily evaporated, but from the clay soil, the water does not evaporate. So when we 3 or 4 times cultivate the soil, and in time we grow the wheat seed as well as the maize seed or other seeds. So time is also the factor as well as soil is also the factor. Good soil, fertile soil, if you mix the organic matter, if there is a dung, there is urea, there is nitrate, these type material when we provide to the field, they increase the fertility of the soil. And when the soil fertility is increasing, they affect the production of the crops and the growth of the crops. So first of all, the farmer try to prepare a very good land, cultivate 1 or 2 or 4 times. If you cultivate the land more, automatically there the crops grow very easily. But if the other factors are also available, if there we put some organic matter to the field, they will give good production to us. The main thing is the animal fertilizer. The animal fertilizer, which is called dung, it plays a great role for the production of agriculture. So in rural area, majority people rear the animal. They rear the sheep, they rear the goat, and they rear the cow, and they rear the buffalo. So they rear so many animals, and they get also milk as well as they also get meat from these animals. And they also get uh, some material that are here. And from here they make different types of goods. So now you are clear. If we uh, grow the seed on fertile soil, so it will give the more production. So everyone, the trained farmer, try and they prepare the land very good. And because of this good land, there the different microorganisms are present. It also affect the fertility of the soil. So they also care the microorganism. If due to some factor the microorganism destroyed, so there are some processes also affect the production of the crop. You have also knowledge about the soil. There are so many types of the soil. There is sandy soil, there is clay soil, there is sand soil, and there are mixed soil in different area of the state. Was done. So first of all, the farmer think about the soil, what type of soil are they, and then they think how many time it will cultivate. If they cultivate more time, so the soil is very good for crops. If we cultivate the land one or two times, so the soil will not give more production and they affect the growth of the crops. Now you are clear. The first observation of the good farmer is that he analyzes the situation of the soil and seed, and sometimes they take the test of the soil and they check the situation. They check the pH of the soil. Either the pH is 7 or the pH is below, or the pH above. The above pH is called alkaline soil, and when the pH is 7, they are the neutral soil. And when the pH is below, this is called the acidic soil. So pH 7 is a very good soil for the growth of crops. So now you are clear. Now come to cultivation of the land. Some farmers cultivate the land more time, one or two, with the help of tractor or with the help of bullocks. And then also add some organic matter with the soil. And they also give other artificial pesticide to their field and they cultivate it. They also eradicate the roots and other weeds from the soil. Because of this, if they so many time, more time, they cultivate the land, automatically the soil, weeds and other things, they destroy. And through this way, the soil chemical process also improve. If the soil they cultivate again and again, and the soil is good and the pH is good, so then they check about the seed. They analyze the seed. What type of seed is good? What type of seed is the scientific, which give more production to the nation. So quality of seed they check, and when they select the quality seed, there are so many experts. There are so many farms. They produce the quality seed and they put in the shops markets, and the farmer purchase this quality seed and they grow in the field. They sow in the field. So therefore, quality seed also play a great role. Some farmers are very poor. They purchase a very low price seed, but some farmers are very rich, so they purchase a very good quality seed and they add and they sow in the field. First, soil type they check, second, cultivate the land, and third, they put the quality seed in the soil. Later on, they give the water. For example, in a week, they one time they will get the land. Because water increases so affect more water create a problem, and also less water also create a problem. So A proper way will be used for water irrigation the farmer, and the farmer then give a proper irrigation on weekly time or monthly time on after 2 weeks. So water play great role in the production of crops. Without water, the production of crops is impossible. With the help of water, we get 50% more production from the soil. According to my view, there was one canal in Sarui area. Before, if there was no canal, so the production was 5 months of the wheat. But nowadays, if there is a canal come, so then they provide the water, and with the help of these water, the irrigation happen, and they get 10 months or 12 months from per GDP. So now you are clear, water play great role. Water absent and water available. If the water is available, more water is available, it will create a problem. Proper water, balanced water is available, and when we provide it to the field, automatically we get more production from the field. So now see to the weeds. Sometimes when we give more water to the field, automatically there are some weeds also grow, which was present before in the field. So the weeds also affect the growth of the crops. They eat the nutrient from these crops and they affect the health of the crops which the human beings have grown in the field. So weed irrigation also play great role in the development of growth and production. When we provide, sometime we spray the weedicide, and sometime we, with the help of hand, we eradicate these weeds, and we clarify the field, and with the help of which there the production automatically increasing the nutrient which were utilized by weeds, they will escape, and these nutrient then eat the crops which we have grown at the purpose of production. There is a time of harvesting when the weed and everything we do, and we give water in proper time, and we cultivate the soil, and we bring the quality seed. Automatically, they then give some production. Then they give some crops. Then, end time, when we harvest these crops, so they give more production. When in end time we not harvest the crops, automatically what happened? They not give more production. Majority grain to being wasted. So now you are clear, time of harvesting also play great role in the production of wheat and in the production of maize. So there are thresher, and with the help of thresher, we first harvest the crop, and then with the help of thresher, then we threshing these crops, and we put these production in the bags. So if there is a good thresher, if the time is good, then so affect the production of the field. Then when the threshing happen and we put these bags in the storage, if the environment of the storage is good, there are some material we spray which destroy the improper animal, which create a problem for the wheat and create a problem for the maize. When we keep the storage clean, so they also affect the production of the crop, and this crop then come to bazaar market, and the people purchase these wheats, and then make a flour, and then they come to their home, and then they knead the flour, and they make the loaves and breads, and then they eat in different occasions, they eat it, and they also affect the health. If there different material are present which are hazardous for the human being, For this purpose, we will check these food we have prepared. Already we have add some fertilizer and some chemical fertilizer, other thing, and when they come and then when we keep in the storage and then we make the flour and then we eat, these materials also affect the health of the human being. So from the beginning, you will check the situation. What type of material are in the sale? Not only you get the more production, but also you will try either this production is uh, fruitful to the human body or not. If they are not fruitful to the human body, not beneficial to the human body, then it will create a problem and the people get affected and every time go to hospital and they purchase the medicine, so they also create a great problem. So when you want to produce the good food, so from the soil you cultivate the land and you also see to the soil what type of soil is there, what type of nutrients are there, what type of elements are there. So you will check these things and then you cultivate the land and then you put the quality seeds and then give water and then we irrigate the weeds and then in time of particular time we harvest the crop and then we with the help of threshing thresher the crops and we get the wheat production and we store in the storage some room and we also apply different type spray on the wheat and which protect the crops production from other diseases organisms. So now you are clear, but we have only take some factors we have mentioned there, but there are so many factors. There are 52 factors, and some are environmental factors, and some are the genetic factor, and some factor also present in the soil, and some factor also present in the environment, and there is precipitation, and there is temperature, and there are so many factors which are present surrounding the soil and inside the soil for the crop. Some are beneficial and some are not beneficial, and with the help of which we want how to increase the production of the crops and how to get the good quality of wheat from their field, which are beneficial for the human being if they eat these wheat, then it not give uh, miserable situation to the health. So I have delivered this lecture. Now you are also knowledgeable pupil and you have also done experiment in the field and you have cultivated it and you have also observed the environment, what type of factor in the environment are present and what type of factors surrounding these field are factors. There are plants which also affect the photosynthesis and there are roots. They also affect the growth of the crops. So many things there and factors are present, but the human being try and they do the experiment and with the help of experiment they found the causes why the production is less and why the production is more. So this is the responsibility of our farmer. Our farmer must be educated. They have degree. If they have no degree, so they will not do the experiment and do this way. More output will be not get it, and no export will be occur. If there is no export, so there also the bank reserve will be affected and the country will be affected and no industry will be developed for these things. So that their good institution will be established. If there are good institutions, so there will be good professor and there will be good scientists, and with the help of those people, they will conduct the research, and after conducting the research, they will find the solution how to increase the production of the crop. My name is Dr. Naushad. I belong to Agriculture University, Peshawar, and I belong to village Kashmir district, Madan. I have 34 years experience in the field. I have also surveyed Mansera as well as surveyed the KPK and also surveyed the Bisham and other area, and I have observed the situation, whose farmer get more production and whose get less production. The main hurdle is the finance. If the government of Pakistan not give uh, finance to the farmer, so in time they not purchase the seed and they not cultivate the land in a proper way. And because of these are the major factor, and if there is no water system available for the irrigation of farming, so then it is difficult that we will get more production from the wheat. So first of all, you have also observed some lands are unlevel and some lands are level, but the level land percentage is very less. So this is the duty of the scientist of agriculture to through intensive agriculture increase the production, and to through intensive agriculture, the production of the crop increase and improve the socio-economic condition of the people of the Pakistan.